Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 280. Your version of Roblox may be out of date. You are getting on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First, make sure to close the Roblox player and ensure all related processes are not running on your PC guys. And you just need to go to settings. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it guys. Now on left side select time and language. On right side select date and time. Select this to set time automatically. Turn it on guys. After doing this, if you are using Microsoft Store version of Roblox guys, then you just need to update it guys. If any update available, you just need to update it. After updating it, now check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to update your network adapter. To do this, right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the network adapter section, right click on the network you are using it and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers and you just need to select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on it. Click on check for updates. If any available updates over here, you just need to update it guys. After doing this step, you just need to go to search menu and type installed app. Click on open it guys. Search for Roblox. Click on the three dot icon over here and select advanced options. Scroll down. Select the reset option and reset it guys. If you are using web version of Roblox, then you just need to right click on the start icon. Select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK guys. Now in here you just need to search for Roblox folder. Right click on it and select delete it guys. The next time you launch Roblox, the Roblox player app will do a few seconds to re-download the missing files and fix the Roblox version error guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.